In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a script in Airtable. Whether you're new to Airtable or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently running scripts to enhance your workflows. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Airtable website, which is a powerful platform that allows you to build next-gen apps. Once you are on the Airtable homepage, take a moment to appreciate the array of features and possibilities it offers. Now, let's move on to integrating scripts. Next, you'll want to find the sign in option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to either enter your credentials or sign in with a linked account. This step is crucial, as running scripts requires access to your Airtable projects. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll automatically be directed to your Airtable home. Here you can see all your bases and explore any ongoing projects you're working on. Proceed by selecting the base you want to work with. Bases are sheets or databases that store all your detailed information. Clicking on a base will give you access to more specific data or project details. Once you've opened a base, focus your attention on the Extensions tab, a key feature in Airtable that's found in the toolbar. Extensions are like the cherry on top, offering numerous integrations and added functionalities that you can embed directly into your base. Among these extensions is the scripting tool, which we're interested in today. To begin adding a scripting extension, click on the Add an Extension button. This will bring up a series of options. In the search bar that appears, type in scripting. It's important to type it correctly to filter out the vast options available. You should soon see the scripting extension appear in the list of results. Select it by clicking on scripting. The next step is straightforward. Click on Add Extension. Adding this extension allows you to automate tasks, run scripts, and manage your data more efficiently. After you've added the extension, it will become part of your base's toolkit. You can now interact with it, writing scripts to perform various functions such as data manipulation, automated reporting, and much more. With these simple steps, you're now ready to run scripts in Airtable. Experiment with this valuable feature to see how scripts can make your workflow more efficient and save you time. I hope you found this tutorial useful and that it helps you get the most out of your Airtable experience. Thanks for watching and happy scripting.